How to install Google Sheets as app on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then you'll see the 9 dots on the right hand side. Tap on it and then now search for Sheets. Tap on it and then log in into your account. Now, once you're here, tap on the three dots on the top right and then tap on Cast, Save, and Share, and then tap on Install Paste as App and then hit Install. That's it. It's as simple as that. Now you can see the Excel has been added to your taskbar as an app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.